Ever wake up to swollen legs and feet that make every step feel like a challenge? You're not alone, millions deal with this every day. But what if I told you there's an instant, natural remedy that could bring you relief before this video ends? Swollen legs and feet can be caused by anything from long hours of standing, poor circulation, to even a salty meal. It's frustrating, painful, and can feel impossible to treat without popping pills or waiting hours for relief. But today, I'm going to share with you some natural remedies that have worked wonders for me and others, and they work almost instantly. Imagine this: you have a big day ahead, work, errands, or maybe an event, and suddenly, your legs and feet are so swollen, it's hard to even get your shoes on. You need a solution, and you need it fast. The usual methods, elevating your legs, compressions, or over-the-counter meds, either take too long or don't give you the relief you need right away. Here's the good news: these natural remedies can reduce swelling almost immediately. Whether it's soaking your feet in an Epsom salt bath, applying an essential oil blend, or using a cooling foot massage technique, you'll be back on your feet, literally, in no time. And the best part? These solutions don't just treat the symptoms, they help address the root cause, so you can prevent future flare-ups. Before we get into the remedies, let's talk about why this happens. Edema can be caused by a variety of factors: standing or sitting for too long, high sodium intake, poor circulation, or even certain medications. When your body retains too much fluid, it accumulates in your tissues, especially in your lower extremities, leading to that uncomfortable swelling. Fluid buildup in legs and feet. But don't worry, while this sounds like a major issue, there are effective, natural ways to combat it. We're about to explore 5 proven remedies that you can whip up at home, using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Before we continue, remember that this video is for educational purposes only and is no substitute for professional health advice. And don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health content. The pain and discomfort of swollen legs and feet. Trying to walk with swollen legs, struggling to get through their day. We've all been there: the throbbing pain, the heaviness, and the discomfort that just won't go away. It's not just about the physical pain, it's the frustration of not being able to move freely or enjoy simple activities. The swelling can make everyday tasks feel impossible, and let's not even mention the embarrassment of having to wear shoes that are a size too big just to accommodate the swelling. Testimonial 1. I used to dread long flights or even just a day at work because by the end of it, my feet would be so swollen, I could barely get my shoes off. It was uncomfortable and made me feel so self-conscious. I tried everything: massages, elevating my feet, but nothing seemed to work. Sounds familiar? The struggle is real, but the good news is that relief is within reach. Remedy 1: Epsom salt foot soak. Our first remedy is a classic, an Epsom salt foot soak. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium, which helps reduce swelling and improve circulation. Ingredients: ½ cup of Epsom salt, a large basin of warm water, a few drops of essential oil, optional, lavender or peppermint for added relaxation. Step-by-step guide. 1. Fill a large basin with warm water. 1. Make sure the temperature is comfortable for your feet. 2. Add the Epsom salt and stir until it's fully dissolved. 3. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. You'll feel the swelling start to go down almost immediately, and the warm water helps soothe tired muscles too. Remedy 2: Apple cider vinegar compress. Next up, an apple cider vinegar compress. Apple cider vinegar has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling and balance your body's pH levels. Ingredients: half cup of apple cider vinegar, half cup of water, a clean cloth or towel, step-by-step guide. 1. Mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and water in a bowl. 2. Soak a clean cloth in the mixture, wring out the excess liquid. 3. Wrap the cloth around the swollen area of your leg or foot. Not only does this compress help with the swelling, but it also leaves your skin feeling soft and refreshed. The compression of the leg helps relieve. Remedy 3. Anti-Inflammatory Smoothie. We have a delicious anti-inflammatory smoothie that works from the inside out. This smoothie is packed with ingredients like pineapple, ginger, and turmeric, all known for their anti-inflammatory benefits. Ingredients: 1. 1 cup of fresh pineapple chunks, ½ inch of fresh ginger, or 1 teaspoon ground ginger, ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 cup of coconut water, half banana, optional. For creaminess, step-by-step guide. Add all ingredients to a blender, blend until smooth. This smoothie not only tastes great, but it also helps reduce inflammation throughout your body, which can help prevent future swelling. Remedy 4. Drinking a diuretic tea. Diuretic teas, like green tea, parsley tea or horsetail tea, contain natural diuretic properties and substances, like flavonoids and minerals, like potassium and caffeine. These also tend to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties which improve pore circulation and promote elimination of fluid that is contributing to feet and ankle swelling. To obtain optimal effect, choose one diuretic tea to drink throughout the day. 5. Consuming foods that boost circulation. Some foods that contain anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, like omega-3 foods, citric fruit or cayenne pepper, can help to boost blood circulation. These foods address pore circulation and can relieve or prevent swelling in the ankles and feet. So there you have it, 5 natural, effective remedies to combat swollen legs and feet. Whether it's a soothing foot soak, a refreshing compress, or a tasty anti-inflammatory smoothie, these easy-to-make solutions can provide instant relief and help you get back to your day without the discomfort. Testimonial 2. After trying these remedies, I've noticed such a difference. The swelling goes down so quickly, and I don't feel that heaviness in my legs anymore. I'm so glad I found these natural solutions. Give these remedies a try and let us know how they work for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on natural health and wellness. Here's to lighter, healthier legs.